We have given mixed number and we need to change this number to the decimal number, and we need to round to a tenth and thousandth. So first, when we have mixed number, whole number we always copy, and we need to change to fraction only to decimal number. How we do this? We use long division, and we divide numerator by denominator. So 3 divided by 7. So we have to set long division. 7 is our, of course, 7. 7 is our divisor, and we have 3. And because we cannot put 7 to 3, we have to add decimal point. This is whole number. Decimal point is always after whole number. And because we have to round to tenth and thousandth, thousandth is the third place after decimal point. So we need extra 1 zero. So we need 4 zeros. We need to add 4 zeros to do this long division, but because we need 4 digits after decimal point to round to the thousandth. And from the beginning, how many times you can put 7 to 3? 0. So we have to write zeros on the top. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3. So what next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column and take down next digit. So we have 30 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtraction. 3 minus 28 is 2. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 20 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtraction again. 20 minus 14 is 6. And we take down next digit. So we have 60 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtraction. 60 minus 56 is 4. We take down next digit. 4 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtraction. 4 minus 35 is 5. We didn't finish long division, but we need to round our solution to the thousands. Like I said, we need only 4 digits after decimal point in our solution. So this is enough. We don't have to do long division anymore. What else? The whole number we have given, like I said before, whole number we always copy. So we have 105, 3 over 7. This is approximately because we didn't finish long division. So we have approximately symbol. Whole number we copy, decimal point, and after decimal point what we have? 4285. And next, we didn't finish this problem. We have to round solution to the tenth first. Tenth is the first digit after decimal point. So next we have to check what is next is 2. When we have number less than 5, what do we do? Nothing. We just change every digit after 4 we copy, and everything what we have before our underlying digits we have to copy. So when we change our mixed number to the decimal number and we round to 10, our solution will be 105 decimal point 4. And now we need to round to the thousand. So let me copy our example one more time. We have 105, 3 over 7. This is approximately we found. We copy whole number, decimal point, 4285, rounding to the thousandth. So we need to underline thousandth place, tenth, hundredth, thousand. It's third digit after decimal point. What next? We check what is after is 5. When we have number 5 or greater than 5, we need to add 1 to our underlying digits. What else? Everything what is after our underlying digits we change to 0. 8 plus 1 is 9, and everything before we copy exactly the same. We can write our solution. Mixed number we change to the decimal number and we round to the thousandth. So it will be 105 decimal point 429. We don't need this extra 0 after 9. Doesn't change the value of our number. So this is my solution.